The 2026 BMW Isetta Concept is one of the boldest and most emotional revivals we've seen in the modern automotive world. And today on Drive Future, we're diving deep into a car that proves small can be revolutionary. A tiny bubble car that helped mobilize a generation. Now, BMW reimagines that icon for a fully electric, ultra-connected urban future, and the result is nothing short of fascinating. At first glance, the 2026 Isetta Concept immediately captures attention with its compact, almost toy-like proportions, but look closer and you'll see a highly engineered vision of sustainable city mobility wrapped in retro-futuristic design. The signature front-opening door makes a dramatic return, creating an instant nostalgic connection while integrating advanced structural reinforcements and smart entry technology. Instead of a simple mechanical latch, the new Isetta uses facial recognition and smartphone pairing to unlock, and as the single front door swings open, the steering column subtly shifts forward to allow easy access, just like the original but with modern precision. Your sides. The rounded silhouette remains, but now it's sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. Flush LED light strips outline the circular headlights, giving the car a friendly yet high-tech face. The body panels are crafted from lightweight recycled aluminum and carbon composite materials, reducing weight while improving structural rigidity. BMW has also incorporated sustainable paint technology with minimal environmental impact, and even the glass canopy roof uses advanced UV filtering. Despite its tiny footprint, the Isetta Concept rides on stylish aerodynamic wheels designed to reduce drag, enhancing range and stability at higher urban speeds. Underneath its charming exterior, the 2026 BMW Isetta Concept is fully electric, powered by a compact yet efficient next-generation battery pack mounted low in the chassis for optimal weight distribution. While BMW hasn't positioned this car as a high-performance machine, it delivers more than enough power for city driving. The single rear-mounted electric motor produces approximately 100 horsepower, which may sound modest, but in a vehicle this light, it translates into surprisingly quick acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour is estimated at under 8 seconds, making it more responsive than many expect from such a small car. The battery pack offers an estimated range of around 180 to 220 miles on a single charge, perfectly suited for daily commuting and urban errands. Fast charging capability allows the battery to recharge from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes, making it practical for modern lifestyles. Inside, the Isetta Concept is where BMW's vision of the future truly shines. Despite its micro dimensions, the interior feels open and airy thanks to the panoramic glass roof and minimalist design philosophy. The cabin is configured primarily for 2 passengers, with a surprisingly spacious bench seat. Crafted from sustainable materials like recycled ocean plastics and plant-based leather alternatives, the dashboard is dominated by a curved digital display that stretches across the front. Instead of traditional buttons, most controls are managed through voice commands, gesture control, or a compact touch interface. BMW's latest iDrive system is enhanced with artificial intelligence that learns driver preferences over time, adjusting navigation routes, climate settings. Connectivity is a major focus of the 2026 Isetta Concept. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with smart cities, communicating with traffic systems to optimize routes and reduce congestion. Over-the-air software updates ensure our software updates. Vehicle stays current with the latest features and performance enhancements. There's also advanced driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control for urban environments, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes tight city parking ephemerally. While it's not a fully autonomous vehicle, it offers Level 2+ semi-autonomous capabilities, giving drivers extra confidence in busy traffic conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Isetta is its focus on sustainability beyond just electrification. BMW has engineered the entire life cycle of the vehicle with circular economy principles in mind. Many components are designed to be easily disassembled and recycled at the end of the car's life. The battery pack itself is modular, allowing for easier upgrades and replacements as technology evolves. Even the manufacturing process is powered largely by renewable energy sources, significantly reducing the car's overall carbon footprint. This makes the Isetta Concept not just a stylish urban commuter, but a statement about responsible mobility in a rapidly changing world. Driving the 2026 BMW Isetta Concept feels unlike anything else on the road. Its ultra-compact dimensions make navigating crowded streets almost effortless. The tight turning radius allows U-turns in incredibly small spaces, and parking becomes a non-issue as the car can fit into spots that would be impossible for traditional vehicles. Yet despite its size, the chassis feels stable and planted thanks to a low center of gravity and advanced suspension tuning. BMW has carefully balanced comfort and agility, ensuring that even rough city roads are handled with surprising composure. Beyond practicality, the Isetta Concept carries emotional appeal. It's a car that makes people smile just as the original did decades ago. In a world dominated by oversized SUVs and aggressive styling, the Isetta stands out as playful, optimistic, and ravishingly different. It represents a shift in thinking where mobility isn't about size or dominance, but efficiency, creativity, and sustainability. For younger drivers, urban professionals, and eco-conscious consumers, this car could become a symbol of modern city living. The 2026 BMW Isetta Concept isn't just a nostalgic tribute. It's a carefully calculated step toward redefining urban transportation. By combining heritage design with cutting-edge electric technology, intelligent connectivity, and sustainable engineering, BMW has created a vehicle that feels both familiar and futuristic, whether it enters full production or influences future compact EV models. One thing is clear: the spirit of the Isetta is alive again, and it's ready to lead the next chapter of micromobility. If this is the direction BMW is heading, the future of city driving looks smarter, cleaner, and far more exciting. This is Drive Future, where we explore the cars shaping tomorrow. And the 2026 BMW Isetta Concept proves that sometimes the smallest cars can make the biggest impact.